Hello, my name is Diana Nava. I am 19 years old and I am currently studying a bachelor's degree in Business Administration and major at University Polytechnic. I am responsible, punctual, and committed person with young living new thing I'm taking on new challenges. I am business administration, studying in my next semester. Looking and studying, I have developed skills my learn organization and customer service. I am it to gain professional experience and continue to the success of a company. My IT skills are adaptation, teamwork, empathy, effective communication, and fast learning. The skills help me work with others and adapt quick to new situations. I consider my responsibility, punctuation, organization, and committed. I watch, try, and complete my tasks on time and give my best effort in everything I do. One of my biggest achievements is reaching the unique semester of degree. I also completed a learning training program and financial education diploma from conducted additional I worked experience in customer service, which helped me improve my communication skills. I feel years I see myself as really good professional with more experience contribute to a company and take on leadership responsibilities. My main goal is reducing and because the social business professional and want to gain experience consumer led and ability to take on lead position which an organization. When I face change, I stand my and focus on think solutions. I wait and begging change is an opportunity to learn and work professionally. You show he because I'm responsible and to learn and committed to achieve good. I am confident and I am contribute positive the your organization. Thank you for opportunity. It was a pleasure speaking with you.